Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. How many of you know that Kalki Koechlin's great-grandfather Maurice Koechlin was the chief engineer for the construction of Eiffel Tower and Statue of Liberty? The mosquito's favorite color is blue, which attracts more on this color. If you chew gum when you study a subject and then chew the same flavor when you give exam, it can help you remember. Ever tried? Daniel Radcliffe thought that Justin Bieber was a woman when he heard the song Baby for the first time. Crowds at one Louisiana State University football game once cheered so loudly that it registered as an earthquake on a local seismograph. Rabindranath Tagore was not just the first Asian to win a Nobel Prize, but also the first non-European to mark his prominence in literature. NASA is offering $35,000 in prizes to design a toilet that will work on the moon. The world's longest wedding dress has spectacular white gown, has an 8,095.40 meter train which is almost long enough to cover Mount Everest. People who sleep on their left side have significantly more nightmares than people who sleep on their right side. This movie theater bathroom has screens in the floor so you don't miss a single second. The oldest actor in Harry Potter as a student was Shirley Henderson. Kalamsat, world's smallest satellite, made by an 18-year-old Indian student. This is the international flag of planet Earth. If you have updated your phone to iOS 14, the orange dot at the top of the screen means an app using your device microphone. The Golden Temple in India feeds a vegetarian meal to over 50,000 people a day regardless of race, religion and class. 30 feet underwater, there is no light, so blood appears green. Sunil Chhetri of India has done the most international goal after Ronaldo, but unfortunately this star is still unknown to many people. Micro artist Ramagiri Swarika written Srimad Bhagavad Gita on 4020 grains of rice. The most terrifying place on earth is located near Subdigo, USA. It is called Potato Chip Rock. Mark Zuckerberg received his degree after becoming a billionaire. He proved that degree is not important to become successful. Nearly half of the airline pilots admit to falling asleep during a flight. 29% of them said they woke up and saw the other pilot asleep as well. It took over 6 months to extract Harriet Cole's entire nervous system from her body. Just because we do not see any time travelers visiting us does not mean time travel will not be developed in the future. A NASA spacecraft circling Jupiter has captured the planet's colorful electrical outbursts, sprites and elves for the first time. Once, Death asked Life why everyone hates me and loves you. Life replied, because I am a beautiful lie and you are a painful truth. Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. At a top speed of Bugatti Veyron will empty its 26-gallon tank in just 12 minutes. Sham, the sheep show is not animated. Everything is made of clay and plastic. It takes lot of work. IIT Madras scientist extracts clean hydrogen from seawater to run cars and lower pollution. Standing over 7 feet tall and weighing a massive 2,600 pounds, Big Jake is currently the world's largest horse. Men and women see the world differently. Women are better at distinguishing color while men are better at tracking fast-moving objects. You are not the same person you were a year ago, a month ago, or a week ago. You are constantly changing. Experience don't stop. That's life. This is the world's smallest artificial heart. It saved the life of a 16-month-old baby for 13 days until the donor heart became available. People who love space have broad minds. When you start thinking about stars, galaxy, black holes and size of universe, you find out that ego, pride and jealousy makes no sense. Thousands have climbed Mount Everest, 12 people have walked on the moon, but only 3 people have been to the deepest point in the ocean. In 2015, man named Benjamin Carruthers filed case on Red Bull for false advertising, arguing that after 10 years drinking Red Bull, he never had wings or intellectual performance. Jails in Brazil reduce the sentences of their prisoners for 4 days for every book they read and write a report on it. In the town Barrow located in Alaska, the sun sets on November 18 or 19 and rises on January 23. Between these periods, there is darkness for 67 days. King Fahd International Airport in Saudi Arabia is bigger than the entire city of Mumbai. This is not a picture of concrete. This is an aerial photo of New Delhi. The foundation of Golden Temple was laid on Diwali day. When a man sits with a pretty girl for an hour, it seems like a minute, but let him sit on a hot stove for a minute and it's longer than any hour. That's relativity. Science just proved that male and female brains react differently to stress. Thanks for watching.